Well guys, welcome back. So today we're going to do a mail time video. I've got a few things that has shown up from the P.O. box. Let me go ahead and make sure you can't see the addresses. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6 things. I guess before we start, I want to say thanks to you guys. We just hit 11,000 subscribers on the channel. It's still crazy to think about. I don't know. I don't know. I don't really know what to say about it. It's awesome, guys. I really appreciate your support. It's so awesome that I found a community of people that enjoy doing the same things that I enjoy doing. So I guess we'll get on with it. We're gonna save this one probably for last. I know where that one came from. And we'll start with this letter. The letter here, I believe, is from Mr. Norman M. He was the first one that sent me something to the P.O. box. So it's another card. He sent a card last time. We'll go ahead and pop this open. Hi Mike, congratulations from San Diego for 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. Time for another Hy-Vee gift card, Norman. So Norman sent a Hy-Vee gift card last time. We had some great camp food with that. And so he must have seen that I hit 10,000 and he sent me a card, and since then we've gained another 1,000 of you awesome guys out there. Thank you, Norman. We're gonna have another session of great food at camp with this. I appreciate it. Set these down off to the side here. Guess we'll go with this one. So this is from Acme Approved. I don't know exactly what this is. I don't know if there's something in here I shouldn't be cutting. Oh, that's bogus. You guys see that? So I put it on some screensaver on YouTube. You get ads in the middle of a screensaver. That's no bueno. No bueno. All right. So it came from Acme Approved. There's nothing in here. I believe I remember somebody saying something about this. I think this is a little camp stove. That's what it looks like. Looks like you pop this open. I don't know if there's any instructions with this. So you've got this little piece, which I'm gonna set this down, which I assume is to like set on top of this as a grill. I don't think there's any instructions in English. Probably looking at the same ones over and over again. So no English instructions on this. You can see that, and then there's different instructions all along the side of it, but there aren't any. I believe this is to set there. I think what I need to do with this when I use it is I need to pop this metal piece out. Can't even make out what any of these are. It's not Spanish. I think it's a little alcohol stove. That's what it looks like to me, guys. I'll look up some of this stuff. Like I'll probably Google Translate some of this stuff and see what it is, but I'm almost positive that's what it is. I think it's like a little alcohol or one of those gel stoves. So yeah, and then that fits right on the bottom here. It looks like you can seal this back up and put it in a bag or something if you're using this for camping. So we'll have to get into this thing in a future video here and see what that's all about. I don't know who sent that, but it came from Acme Approved out of South Lake, Texas. So there we go. Set that down here. All right, now we're off to this one. M. Wilkins. Okay. Is there a note? Yeah, there's a note. Hey there, just wanted you to know how much I enjoy your videos, especially when you go camping out in the snowstorms. I keep seeing your videos where you always need some pot holders, so I'm sending you some so that you cannot burn your hands when cooking and handling your hot skillets or pots. Enjoy. Thank you. So we've got some pot holders. I'll throw these in with my cooking stuff. I'll probably put a couple of these in my cooking crate, and then maybe put the pot holders like this in the back of the cab or in the bed. Where I cook with the smaller stove. Thank you for the pot holders. It's a really awesome gesture. I appreciate it. I burnt my hand. I knocked the thing fell over and I burnt my hand a few episodes back. So I appreciate it. Okay. This is from Zix Innovations, North Las Vegas. ZIX Innovation, North Las Vegas. Got a little note. Oh, it was an Amazon purchase. Spatula. Hope you enjoy your silly gifts, Crazy Quady, from Farmington, New Mexico at the Four Corners. From Robbie. So it is a grip Tatula multi-purpose slotted spatula for non-stick cookware for cooking. It looks like it's got like it's like tongs and a spatula somehow. Can I get this off here with a little knife? Okay, so I think you just do that number. Yeah. Press here to use its gripping function. Rest on the edge of your pan, leaving no mess for your counter, so that can sit on your pan, I guess. But you can use it as like a regular spatula, but you can also use it as tongs that way, I guess. So you use it shows them using it as a spatula, flipper, a tong, and a turner. Thanks for that. That'll definitely go in the camping gear. Yeah, that's cool. I've never seen that before. Well, thanks, Robbie. One more Amazon, tan one, Lexington, Kentucky. Lexington, Kentucky. Has there been more commercials? Don't put commercials in a screensaver. Let's just put it here. Enjoy your gift, a second little something from Robbie. So Robbie sent two things. What does it say it is? Oh. Apparently a few people saw me burn myself. Robbie, appreciate the pot holders. These will all go to great use. We'll throw these, I guess this set can go in one, and then this can go in the back of the truck. So I've got plenty for each one. Thank you guys. It's nice to know that you care and don't want me to burn myself. Sometimes we take our own safety for granted. And then we'll get on to this last one. And this is from KB. Yeah, that's why I grabbed my little knife. We're just gonna start on the edges probably. I mean, I should be able to just cut it open right here, trying to foil me. For anybody asking, this is a CRKT Minimalist Caraman blade, I guess. It's right in your hand. Probably cheating by doing it this way. Box in a box, kind of. All right, a couple things in here, guys. We've got some Duraflame Sticks fire starters. They're like little fire logs. Light 6 fires, 2 sticks per fire. Just split, stack, and start. So we've got some more fire starters. Yeah, thanks. And then, what else do we have? Oh, we have a little, like fishing kit. Little waterproof box. What do we have in here? We've got some insect repellent. Always need that in the summer around here in Nebraska on the hot muggy days. We've got some yum dingers, 5-inch green pumpkin and chartreuse. Let's see, we've got some Sexy Shed 3 3/4-inch swim baits from BioBait Tackle. Some power bait podgy swim shads. I've caught some fish on these before, and it looks like we have all the necessary hardware to use these. We've got some nice 6-cents, some high quality hooks here, and some nail weights, probably to stick in the nose of these yum dingers, and like a wacky rig. So we've got some wacky rig hooks here. Appreciate it, man. Definitely gonna use this stuff. The little box is awesome. That's a nice touch, buddy. So awesome, we've got some stuff to start a fire with and fish with. Maybe I should do like some sort of challenge where I just take this stuff and a rod. We'll have to use this stuff. We'll use these for like a little survivor challenge. Oh, and we've got the little stove, right? I think this is a stove. So we've got a little stove here. Maybe we need to do like a little survival catch and cook or something with this. Yeah. So I appreciate the love, guys. There we go. And our little gift card for Norman for the food. So I can grab some food to take with me so if I don't catch anything, but we'll use this stuff. I mean, I've got enough stuff here to do a catch and cook, I guess. I'll probably see what I can do with this. But yeah, I appreciate it, guys. Like I said, thanks for all the love and support. And like I just said, we hit 11,000, and the channel continues to grow, and it's helping to really drive my excitement to do different things. And just, I don't know, we all get stuck in the routines of the same things we do. And yeah, this is kind of, it helps me get outside the norm sometimes. So it's pretty fun. I've got a couple trips planned. There was one that I was gonna leave for in the morning. Of course, I just now looked up to see if it was open, and it's not open until May, so we can't go there. So I've got a couple other ideas of what to do, but I've got some good camping coming up. We're gonna get the boat out soon. I've picked up some stuff to work off on the boat with. I got new batteries. I picked up some new tires with the wheels, since they're just the cheaper trailer tires or whatever. So I'm gonna get those replaced because they were kind of cracked and dry rotted. I got license plates finally. The registration, all that is paid for, insurance, etc., etc. So we should be getting that out fairly soon. And then hopefully I'm gonna go pick up one of my bikes, and we'll be doing some bike camping soon, which some of this stuff could definitely be used for also. So I guess stay tuned, guys. We're gonna have a fun summer coming up, and I hope you guys all enjoy it. Stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.